Okay, this video is about non-dominant loading. So depending on the side that is your dominant side, right or left, you want to start to load the opposite side. Okay, so in this case, I'm going to show you the left side because that tends to be the most common non-dominant area. So you're going to find a split stance, lining up the big toe kind of with the inside of the foot, so it's not a big wide stance here. You're going to start to hinge at the hips like you're going to be doing a deadlift or squat. Okay, you're going to push your left hip back, sinking into the left heel a little bit. You may want to lose the big toe or that first metatarsal here, but I want you to pull it back in as you sink back into that space. And then you're going to start to reach with your right knee out, forward and out, to pull that right hip around and to draw that left leg into a little bit of internal rotation of the pelvis here. Okay, so we're trying to make that connection with that first metatarsal, big toe, letting that knee kind of turn in as we push the hip back. And you're gonna continue to sink into that side. So about 80 to 90% of your weight is on this leg here as you're actively reaching forward and out with that side. You're gonna feel a lot of load and stretch in the back of this hip back here, and it may feel a little bit weak and shaky on this side, but that's okay. You're gonna try to hold that for 5 deep breaths. At the same time, I want you to just go ahead and drop that left arm a little bit and side bend into that left side just a bit, almost like you're kind of like reaching for the floor. That's gonna help you activate that left oblique, which is also left out of the equation here when we're really dominant on that right side. So just keep taking some big deep breaths here, and then all the way out. Feeling that left oblique engage more than the right. So breath in and out. Keeping that weight on that side. Your brain's gonna wanna go to the dominant side, but stay over there. Just keep getting those breaths. Keep reaching for that floor with that little side bend. Checking in with that big toe. Not losing the heel, right? We might lean forward too far. Make sure you're equally loaded through the foot. And then big breath in. Exhale, pushing through that leg to come up, trying to feel all the muscles working, right? All the way to the top. Get that last little bit where you kind of tuck underneath and bring the knee back so you feel the squeeze of the whole leg and left pelvis. Okay, as you're coming up, you really want to make sure that you're pushing through that leg as much as you can because you're trying to teach the body how to load that left side. So the more you practice it, the better and easier it gets.